Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies, Taurus, and this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And I'll be picking one card for y'all from the oracle guidance, so that will be your oracle guidance card, guys. So we will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energy, guys, Taurus. So today we have 6 of water, 3 of fire and 4 of water. So in your situation, guys, Taurus, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So today you are seeing a lot of opportunities coming your way. You are thinking about those dreams and planning your future, maybe, and you are living in that fantasy, expecting things in your future and waiting for the things to come towards you, maybe. And maybe there are avenues opening in front of you, offers in your work situation, or even in this relationship you may see things taking a positive turn or moving towards a positive change in this relationship, and you can have trust in that, guys, and have that belief that perfect timing and divine order are working favorably for you. So you will be seeing great changes in your situation today, guys. And also today you are not only thinking of the dreams and aspirations for your future, you are also having some worries. Maybe you are still thinking about the past, what has happened, and this may not be the right time to think of the past, guys. So simply brooding over the past is not going to take you anywhere. So, or it may be some positive things that happen in your past situation. So it may be something regarding your work. So you would have been more successful in the past, and right now you are in some troublesome situation. So simply yearning for those good old days are not going to take you anywhere, guys. So in order to heal yourself, to understand and work with a better potential, have that positivity today, it is better not to rekindle your past situation, let it be in your work situation or in this relationship. If you want to heal and progress positively in your life today, guys, there is no use thinking about the past, or thinking about the past success or failures, or the emotions whatever you went through. And today you are on the right path and opportunities are there right in front of you, and in order to make use of these opportunities you must have that positive attitude. So that is what these cards are telling us today, guys. Maybe it is time we let go of the past hurt or failures or whatever negative emotions that we had, and move on positively to face our life, face our situation with courage and confidence. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Hierophant. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe you are someone who is paying a lot of attention to some kind of a practice. It may be a spiritual practice, or some kind of spiritual practice may do you a lot of good today, guys. Maybe If you are interested in meditation, you can go ahead with that. So that is simply going to calm yourself, and you are going to feel a lot of clarity in your situation today, and it is going to work in wonderful ways. So maybe you are interested in some kind of spiritual practice, or this person you love, they are interested, or maybe both of you are doing it to find that peace and harmony in this connection, guys, in this relationship, or in your what to say, in your life. And maybe if you want certain things today, guys, it may be something regarding this relationship, you just have to pray with honesty within yourself. Just say a small prayer, and it is going to work in a magical way today, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys, with this card. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have 10 of fire. So with this card in your career situation, guys, maybe today you have a lot of burdens, a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders, and certain things you may not need, or it is simply overwhelming you, cluttering that freedom you have. So it is affecting your work potential. So you need to declutter yourself in your work situation, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. So let's see what is your oracle guidance. So we have never ending story. So this card just means that there is something in you telling you in whatever situation you are in, guys. So that is telling you something. Maybe it is warning you, or it is just helping you today, trying to help you. But you must be aware that it is a distorted guidance. It has only it is only concerned about yourself, but not with the people around you. It is not at all concerned about you, and it is just speaking your fear and your pain. So you should not listen to it, guys. So even in this relationship, sometimes we have a lot of challenges, or we face a lot of challenges because we have shame or fear in ourselves, or low self-esteem. So that is what is creating a lot of problems in this connection, guys. So right now, whatever we are telling ourselves, the stories we weave about love, connection, rejection, loneliness, abandonment, and truth, maybe whatever it is we are telling ourselves, we must forget all that, forgive all our mistakes for whatever we have done, or it may be mistakes on that other person's part. So whatever it is, we must just forget that, and have compassion for ourselves. So we need not tell the same things again and again, go over the same negative things again and again. And in order to move on positively, we must let go of that same old story, same sad story, guys. So that is the energy with this card. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.